Hi you guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hit that like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this cute Valentine's Day look. I'm going to be using the SXC Lazy Girl Series Polygel kit. The box was pretty big, so I had trouble getting it all into the camera, so I'm just going to show you the front and the back and do a quick unboxing. The first thing we're going to get in this kit is instructions on how to apply the polygel, also how to remove it. We also got this cute little sticker, and it also came with full cover stiletto and ballerina XXL full cover tips, which I will be using the ballerina ones today in this video. This kit also came with some stuff to do some nail art. So we got some silver and gold foils, we got some glitters there, and also it came with some little butterfly sequins. This kit also came with dual forms. I may do a video on dual forms. I have used them once or twice, so I may do that in the future. It also came with this pretty pink polygel brush with the brush at one end and the spatula at the other. It also came with a nail file, 100-180 grit. It also came with a wax stick and also a nail picker to pick up your rhinestones or sequins. Some striping tape as well, and then the different color glitters. I'm going to show those all up close. It also came with 2 sets of rhinestones, these pretty bigger ones with different shapes, and then a smaller one which is included with the glitter here. And I'm just going to give you guys a close-up of each. This is the butterflies, different color pieces in there, really pretty. Next we have the other rhinestones that it came with, also different sizes and very pretty. We're going to get this pretty blue, kind of chunky glitter. We have this like white iridescent glitter, which is so pretty. We have a very holographic silver glitter, which I love as well. And last, we have this pretty pink glitter, which I will be using today in today's set. Now we're going to move on to the polygel. It came with 3 colors, a white, a clear, and a pink. It also came with top coat, base coat, and extend gel, slip solution in a bottle, and cuticle oil. And I didn't swatch these because I am using the pink and the white in today's set. So I'm just going to give you a close-up of everything that came in it. Okay, so that was everything that came in the kit. It also came with a lamp. I will leave the wattage down below. And it also came with a charge cord to plug up to it. Okay, so now let's jump into the set. I am going to be using the ballerina tips, and they came mixed. So the ballerina and the stiletto are mixed in each one. I'm just going to go ahead and choose my sizes, size them up, and go ahead and get them on my nail stand. So I'm doing the Femi Beauty method, so I'm just going to apply that white polygel to the tip of the nails. I'm going to smooth that into place, and after I get it in the tips of the thumb, the pointer, and the pinky nail, I'm going to cure each of those for 30 seconds before going in with my next color. And once I do get that bottom part in, I did go ahead and apply it. After I applied the white to the tips I cured that for 30 seconds, and then I went in with my pink, as you guys see here. Once I got that smooth, I applied it to my finger, cleaned up around my cuticle area, and then I cured that for 30 seconds in the lamp. After I got them all applied, I did go back and cure my full hand for 60 seconds. So once I get them applied, this is how they're looking. I'm then gonna go in and fill in those last two pink nails. I'm then gonna go in with my Melody Susie drill and clean up around that cuticle area. So this is how they're looking after I cleaned up around the cuticle area and I did a little refiling and shaping. I'm then gonna go in with some top coat so I can go ahead and do my nail art. And today's look was inspired by a photo that I seen. I will leave all of the information down below for her Instagram page. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. Also leaving me a thumbs up, that helps me get my content out there. And also leaving me a comment down below because I love to chat with you guys. I would really, really appreciate it. Once I applied top coat to all the nails, I cured that for 60 seconds. And now I'm gonna go in with this pink and this white. And on the middle finger, I am going to go in with XOXO in 3 spots. I'm then gonna go in with the white and make a few hearts on it. And then I'm gonna fill in that extra space with some little dots. So drawing this XO with the hearts was a pretty simple design. It came out really, really nice. I'm not really good with the nail art, so I was really satisfied with how this came out. It was simple enough. And I just want to mention, I'm sorry if you guys can hear a little voice in the background. I have a 1-year-old and he's outside the bathroom where I'm recording my voiceover, and he's just in the background yelling and making all type of noise. So I'm sorry if you guys hear that. Once I finally got that right, I cured that for 30 seconds in the lamp. I then went in with my white to make my hearts in between the XO, and then I put dots just to fill in the space around the XO and the hearts. Once I got that nail exactly how I wanted, I cured it for 60 seconds in the lamp. And now I'm going to move on to my next nails. So on the pink and white nails, which is the thumb, the pointer, and the pinky, I'm going to go in and make some bigger hearts. And then I'm going to go over that with that pink glitter that I showed you that came in this kit in the beginning. Once I get my hearts exactly how I want them, I'm going to go over it with this pink glitter. And it was a little bit messy, so I just went ahead and did this first nail off camera. Here's how it's looking. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that same design on my pinky and my thumbnail. And here's how the nails are looking after I finished the nail art on all of the nails. I absolutely love how the hearts turned out and that glitter, so pretty. And for the ring nail, I am going to go ahead and add a nail charm. I went through the ones that I had and I decided on a lollipop for the ring finger. When I think of Valentine's Day, I think of love and chocolate and sweets. So I thought the lollipop just fit in well with the whole nail set and the colors. And then I'm also going to go ahead and use top coat and add a few rhinestones to the tip of the nail with the lollipop on it. And that'll pretty much be it for this set. Also, all the products that I use today will be linked down below, and also the inspiration for this nail set will be linked down below as well, so you guys can go ahead and check it out if you want to. And after I apply those rhinestones, I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. I'm then going to go in with my cuticle oil, and that will be pretty much it for this set. After applying my cuticle oil, here's how the nails are looking. I absolutely love how this nail set turned out. I really love the glitter hearts and the XO nails. I think it just turned out really pretty, a very cute Valentine's Day set. So let me know what you guys think down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. If you haven't already, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. I'm trying to get my schedule here together, so I'm going to figure that out here soon. But yes, I really love how this set turned out. And let me know what you guys think of this set down below. I really love it. All information will be linked down below. And yes, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video.